Hey, what's up? I'm Peter from Media65, and if you're uploading videos on YouTube, Vimeo or LinkedIn, you can have your captions automatically generated. But is it really the best way to keep everything accurate and especially also consistent across all the different platforms? The better way is to generate your captions within your editing software, export them, and then upload them alongside your videos. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this for YouTube, Vimeo, and LinkedIn. Let's dive into it. Having good captions, consistent and accurate across all your channels is today an absolute must. You don't want to exclude people with hearing deficiencies or, for example, people sitting in the office without having headphones with them. And by the way, if you look at the statistics of my channel, then you can see that over 40% of those who are viewing my videos, they have captions activated. And if we speak about my channel, of course, please like my channel, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share also the video. It helps me a lot to produce high-quality content for you. As a little side note, what is the difference between captions and subtitles? Captions actually are nothing else than a transcript of your video in the same language. So for instance, this video here is in English, so the transcript and caption file will be English. Subtitles, on the other hand, are translations into any other language. So for instance, if I would have this video here in English and I would translate it into French, then the subtitle file would be in French. So that's the difference, but for this video, to keep everything simple, I'm going to stick simply with captions, but you're going to see also that depending on what software you're using, they're using either subtitles or captions. At the end of the day, the procedure is always the same. Indeed, all the big platforms like YouTube, Vimeo or LinkedIn, they propose to you as soon as you upload your video file to auto-generate the captions. This is very convenient, of course, but you give a lot of control out of your hand. And I have made the experience that especially when it comes to brand names, personal names or foreign expressions, then the AI is very often failing. So the only possibility you have is to start the editor which is built in and then review all the auto-generated captions and correct all the mistakes that the AI has made. Of course, if you're uploading on 3 different platforms, then this can be pretty time consuming and there is no guarantee that you will have a real consistency between the different platforms. Luckily, all the platforms also propose you the possibility to upload your own caption file, and I'm going to show you now step by step really how to export first of all the caption files from your editing software and then to upload them to the platforms. The first thing that you need to do is to export your caption file. And there you have the choice typically between different formats. I would go either for SRT or VTT. SRT is pretty much the standard and very basic, so you can edit it even in a normal text editor. VTT, similar here as well, but VTT has also in addition also some formatting options. Nevertheless, it depends really on the platform whether these formatting options are really even accepted or not. You need to experiment a little bit what kind of file is best for you. But in general, I would go if you want to have a maximum compatibility for SRT files. And that's what I'm going to show you as well during these examples. Let's start with Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, you choose your sequence and then you click on File, Export, you choose Captions and you're good to go. But you have also the possibility to click on the Export tab and then you export the captions alongside your video, which might be easier because it's only one step for you to export everything. DaVinci is pretty similar to Premiere Pro. In DaVinci Resolve, you just need to click File, Export and then Subtitles. Here you can choose from a variety of different formats and you're good to go as well. The second option is to go to the delivery page and then you choose Export Subtitles when you export your video. In Final Cut Pro, you click File and then Export Captions. Then you choose the correct role containing the captions and hit the Export button. You can as well also click on File, Share, and from here you choose as well to export the captions alongside your video. Now let's upload the caption files on your desired platform. Let's start with YouTube. On YouTube, you have to start uploading your video by clicking on the Create button. Then you choose your video, and as soon as the video is starting to upload, then you can move to the next section, which is called Video Elements, and here you can upload your caption file. Don't forget to choose the option with timing, and then as soon as your file is uploaded, you can review the captions and make sure that they are correctly aligned to the video. On Vimeo, first of all, you need to have the video completely uploaded. As soon as this is done, you can go on the left button and you click Languages. And here we have an upload button, and as soon as you click on the upload button, you can choose the language and also the type, so whether it's a closed caption or a subtitles. Once the file is uploaded, you can as well also review or edit the uploaded captions. On LinkedIn, you choose Media to upload your file. And as soon as the thumbnail of the video is showing up, you can click on the closed caption button, the CC button here, and you can upload your caption file. Unfortunately, on LinkedIn, there is no possibility to review your uploaded captions before you're publishing the video, so you need to trust that everything went well. As you can see, it's not very difficult to upload your own caption files on LinkedIn, Vimeo, or YouTube. Instead, it gives you a lot of consistency and accuracy across all these different channels. If you liked this video, please don't forget also to hit the like button, to share it with your friends, and also to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video again. And till then, please, happy uploading! See you soon.